The supporters of President Emmerson Mnangagwa have endorsed EDC 2030 agenda at ZANU-PF's 21st National People's Conference Bulawayo, raising the stakes in the simmering power struggle between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga. Sanapenda mashikwana mudanyongwa panapa wana yanyasukwana kuti aiwa ku conference aiwa kumakwizo ku conference akudani anonzwa vachiona kuti aiwa kwanga kune madisappointments, kwakanga kune situation yekuti aiwa kude vamwe vakaenda vantu vachadzoka vachichema noda kuti vaona kuti mafochin avo yadhiwa. Sanapenda mashikwana mudanyongwa panapa kwa subscribe or like or on the bell like kuchimina panapa kwa mchenzi. The endorsement left little room for dialogue on leadership transition, a topic politically sensitive as Mnangagwa's relationship with the Chiwenga becomes increasingly strained. Although Mnangagwa's speech at the conference focused on unity and discipline, his language hinted at a growing unease over factionalism within ZANU-PF ranks. ZANU-PF is a moving train, always ready to welcome new members, Mnangagwa said. However, party systems must be tightened against infiltration by divisive elements and malcontents who have no regard for the political order that is guaranteed by the Supreme Party Constitution. Chiwenga, a former military general instrumental in bringing Mnangagwa to power in 2017, is seen by some as a likely challenger. Speculation has said that he might orchestrate another military-backed intervention if Mnangagwa's ambitions push him further to the margins, echoing the tactics that ended RG Mugabe's decades long road. Domashwana buda panapa achitauko nawo kumara vachiti aiwa panguva yakadai vanhu pauri kuona kuti kusawirana kuita mubato aiwa kunogona kungoitika imwe another military coup. Tunze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitoro ichi, pinda kuna section medu, sana subscribe or like, sana turn on the bell icon.